Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to how to duplicate or copy a single block or multiple blocks to the same or to different pages and posts in WordPress. This forms part of Gutenberg block editor training. So we have a blog post which I published recently entitled Beverages That Improve Your Brain. Let's have a look at this blog post in the admin area. And here it is. Okay, so let us assume that we would like to duplicate this particular block, this block. Okay, so I am going to left click on the top left corner, and on the toolbar, I am going to go to the three dots more options menu and click on it. And all I have to do is come down to duplicate and click on duplicate. And there is my duplicated block. All right, so it was very easy. Of course, I can now left click again. And let's say that I would like to move this block down. So I just click on this arrow, the downward arrow, and click again, and it is now at the very bottom of the page. So I am going to remove this block. How to do it is very easy. In the toolbar, I go to the three dots, more options menu, and I scroll all the way down and I click on remove block. So this was very easy to duplicate to duplicate a block. It is super easy. What about if we want to copy a particular block? Well, it is equally easy. So I go to the top left corner area, I left click, and on the toolbar, go to the three dots, and I click on copy, on the copy link. The copy has been copied to the clipboard. So this block has been copied to the clipboard. Okay, so now I can paste this block anywhere. Let's say that I would like to paste right here after it contains. Okay, so I right click and I left click to paste, and there it is. Very, very easy. Okay, so I am going to go to the block. I am going to click on the three dots and I am going to click on remove. So I can position this block anywhere I like. I can go all the way down if this is what I'd like to have. I click on the plus sign, I click on paragraph, and I right click and paste, and there is my block again. So let us remove this. Remove block. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the top of this particular blog post. And what I'd like to do now is I would like to copy this same block onto a different page. So let's go to this tab, and I am going to click on add new post, and I am going to title testing. Okay, so all I have to do is start writing or type to choose a block. I left click and I right click and paste, and there is my section. Because remember, this block was in the clipboard, so you can and position it anywhere within the same blog post or page, or onto a brand new blog post or page. Now, how can we copy multiple blocks? So let me show you. I am going to add a new post. I could also have created a new page. Let's go for a new post. I am going to title it testing, and then I am going to create a heading. So let's change this to heading H2. It's fine. And I am going to create a paragraph. a paragraph and enter. And I am going to, let's go to the media library and get an image. So let's go to image and select image in the media library. Yes. And let's say that we would like this particular image. Let me try again and click on select. Okay. So this is the image, and let us choose another image. So click on plus sign and image. Let's go to select image in the media library, and let's go to, what is the image I want? This one. Select. All right, what have we got? We have a heading, we have a paragraph, okay, here, and one could have headed, whatever, right? Then we have an image and we have another image. Now, what we would like to do is copy these three blocks, the heading block, the paragraph block, and the first image block, and position them in between these two images. So how to do that? Well, it is quite easy. I am going to highlight heading, then the next block, which is a paragraph, then the next block, which is an image. Okay, I am going to go to the three dots, and I am going to click copy. These three blocks have been copied to the clipboard. Okay, so I can go down, and I said I would like to have those three blocks in between these two images. So I click on the plus sign, and I can choose the paragraph and paste. And there they are. So let's have a look at this. We have copied heading, the paragraph, and the first image, and here they are, heading and the paragraph and the first image, which was positioned between, before the last image. All right, so what have we learned this far? How to duplicate a block, how to copy a single block to the same blog post or page, or to a different blog post or page, how to copy multiple blocks. Lastly, how to copy an entire blog post or page. Let me show you how to do this. So we go to the admin area, and in this particular case, we are in posts, all posts. So I go to that blog post or page, okay, in this case, beverages that improve your brain. And as I hover over it, here you can see copy. I click copy, and a new page is going to open up. So, and there it is, a brand new blog post on, okay. So all I have to do now is I am going to delete the title because this is a brand new one, and I can enter any title. And what I am going to do is I am going to click on Save Draft. Okay, it has saved, right? So we have the full blog post has been copied to a new page. And now let's go back to the admin area. Just give me a second. So we have copied the entire blog post onto a brand new page. Okay, and if we go to the admin area, you'll be able to see that, and there is the copied blog post, which has copied everything, has copied all the content and plus the categories and the tags as well. This is the original one. All right, if this video was helpful, would you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and cheers.